Hey guys, welcome back to Project Rubberband. My name's Thomas and I will be showing you how to make a heavy duty rolling camera stand. The first part you'll need will be a base. I just went to my scrap bin and I found a rectangular piece of metal that was all welded together, and then what I did was I went and I welded 2 extra pieces of metal across the center, and this will be where the stand bolts up. The second thing you will need will be 4 caster wheels. You can go just buy caster wheels. I found these caster wheels on another piece of metal, and the piece of metal I got for free. So it's highly possible that you will be able to find free caster wheels. The third thing you'll need to do will be to drill holes on your rectangular piece of metal. I've already pre-drilled these holes, so we're not gonna worry about that. So the next thing you will need will be some kind of post. So I just went and found this post. It basically is a hollow post with a bolt-on on the end. This is what I'll be using today. There's a lot of other things you could use, but I found this and this is what I'll be using. So after that, you're gonna wanna go and find a piece of scrap metal that fits inside of the metal post. I found a piece of metal that fits perfectly to the angle of the inside of the post, so I'll be using that. Then after that, probably one of the most important things will be a camera stand. Now, you can go buy super cheap camera stands. Don't go and buy a whole expensive camera stand. Just buy a cheap one off Amazon and this will work for you. You will also need a C-clamp and a exhaust clamp or some kind of U-clamp will work perfectly. And the last thing you'll need will be a 9/16 wrench, a 1/2 inch wrench, and a 1/2 inch socket. Now, these 3 sizes may vary with your project because you might be using different size bolts. All right, now that I've run down everything you need to do this project, let's start assembling it. Okay, got that all bolted up. So you're gonna set it on the ground, and then we're going to bolt the next thing on. So this center pole is gonna go right here, and then I'm gonna bolt it on right in the center right there. All right, so the next step is gonna be right up here. So we have this square post, hollow, then we have this piece of metal right here. And this piece of metal is gonna go in here and slide in like that. See that? And it fits perfectly. And then you're gonna fit the clamp on there. The last step I have to do is take this and clamp it on here. So that's how it's gonna fit on. And then the U-clamp will go right here. And the last step is to mount it on the camera stand. I hope you guys like this video. I like this video because the age of putting cameras in weird spots and with tiny camera stands is over. So I hope you guys like this video. If you learned anything, definitely give me a like. Hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see y'all next time. I don't know if you guys noticed, but it's a little bit cold out here.